election is knocking to the door. The every political party, Aam Aadmi, BJP, and Congress, they spat one another. Basically, in previous election in Lok Sabha, here Congress and Aam Aadmi Party both are in the alliance. But in present Delhi election, they are not fight together. They are divided. And from that time, they spat one another. Recently, Rahul Gandhi spoke against Arvind Kejriwal that Delhi is very much corrupted by Arvind Kejriwal. The people of Delhi, they are got problem. They are everywhere in the liquor scam, in the school scam, education scam, everything raise concern to Rahul Gandhi against Arvind Kejriwal. Simultaneously, Arvind Kejriwal spat to Congress. He spoke out that I am not anything spoke about Rahul Gandhi, but BJP and Congress both are consolidated to take the Delhi as a decline. The people of Delhi defame, spoke out Arvind Kejriwal. When Arvind Kejriwal went to the jail, that time Sonia Gandhi reached out to the wife of Arvind Kejriwal and spoke them, we fight together to jail back to Arvind Kejriwal. She spoke out. But just 10 months ago. And after 10 months, what is actually happened that both are divided and spat one another. Many political parties leader, they are raised concern against the alliance, India alliance, that Omar Abdullah spoke out that there have not any clarity in alliance because after Lok Sabha election there have not any fruitful meeting or any calling meeting there have not done. And Uddhav Sena, he also spoke out that we are refrained from Congress. We are not consolidate, not fight with Congress, not fight in the election together with Congress. He spoke out. So everybody want to refrain from Congress. What? Why actually everybody do that? Everybody spoke that. What actually happened? Last few years, Congress is continuously decline and continuously defeat many elections. It can be a Lok Sabha election, it can be the Vidhan Sabha election. Congress continuously decline the election and defeat the election. It can be Lok Sabha election or it can be Vidhan Sabha election. So, every political party who is the nexus with Congress, alliance with Congress, they are raise concern about the leadership of Congress. Rahul Gandhi is not create fame to this type of political party, not create that much image. So that's the main contradictory. Many people spoke out that we want Mamata Banerjee as a India alliance leader. Some people spoke out that we want to Arvind Kejriwal as a India alliance leader. So there is a much more confusion about the leadership of this alliance. So that's why they are not want Rahul Gandhi as a India bloc leader and want to change. So there have a like khichudi. Everybody in the alliance raise different type of concern, and everybody have a similar concern, that is they want to decline Rahul Gandhi. They want to quit from the India alliance leader Rahul Gandhi, and they have the different choice to India bloc leader. So that's the main contradictory. So 5th February it will be going to the Delhi election. What is actually happened, we are wait for that.